What's up, everybody? It's Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Going to do a review of some two. I think they're 2021 9 packs with some two exclusives. Two, I would say, higher end casting collectibles. So we're going to do this 9 pack first. It's got the Boneshaker. So, again, I got somebody who likes these 9 packs, so I gotta be careful opening them. He displays in it. Let me pause this video. Okay, I'm back. It took me a little bit, so I didn't want to have you guys watch me. So I haven't done a 9 pack in a while because I haven't seen anything that I wanted. So in this first one, again, back to the Boneshaker. Crap fantasy. But we got some other castings here. I know some local collectors that'll be interested in them. But Boneshaker, I know a lot of people like the Boneshaker, so I decided to pick this up. And let's see. So, crap. So you got a purple. What is this, the McLaren? Yep, McLaren P1. It's a nice deep purple. Let's see what it looks with the light on. A little better. We got... Oh, come on, focus. There you go. This is the... see what year Corvette this is. It's a Corvette. 70s. Casting's a 73. The base. Base is metal. It's not focusing. It's because of the light. There we go. This is plastic, of course. Wheels look very similar to the Hot Wheels Classics, the Cool Classics rims. I always liked them. Yeah, plain. It feels really cheap. Volvo, I know a lot of people love this thing. Metal base. No, sorry, plastic base. Metal casting. Was it the R? The 90R? Something like that? Right? 850 Estate. I think they had like an R, like the race version. That's why it's got that lip on it. Love the headlights. Plain and simple. Look at the taillights. Look at this. Now that's great detail on a Hot Wheels. Then we got the VW Bug. Valentine's Day. 2021. Someone explain that to me. 0214. I don't get it. Oh, duh. February 14th. Wow. Because 2021's over there, but February 14th. That's what that is. Okay. Now we got the old school Z28. Plain and simple casting. Plastic base, metal body. Let's do Nissan. We got a new, was it 240? 270? What's this thing? 370, sorry. 240 is a really old body. So there's a 370Z. Not a fan of the wheels. Why is my phone not focusing today? You hear that background? The wife and her friends on a house party. This thing's not focusing. Is that on my camera? There you go. That's a little better. The black makes it hard to see the details on this thing. I mean, there are lines on this 370 casting, but the black, I mean, it's a nice black. I'll tell you that. Zoom in, maybe. Plain and simple casting, nothing crazy. There you go. But what a lot of people are going to grab out of this 9-pack is this. A lot of people love Boneshakers. I'm just going to move the cars. The focus better. A little bit. Okay, so got the flames, got a blue paint job, standard Boneshaker. I like the big beefy wheels on it. Okay, so let's go switch the other one. Okay, so moving to the second one. A lot of the same cars, but so we looked at that already. Fantasy, I call that fantasy. Same McLaren, roller coaster car. I forget what that thing's called. Nah, same one. Was it the 24 hours or whatever this thing is? Track Ripper. I'll get that to my son, see if it works, if it's really good on the track. But this 9-pack has the brand new Cyclone in the nice blue. Why are you not focusing? There we go. Love these rims on it. Nice blue paint. This reminds me of like what we used to see out in the streets. These things were pretty cool. Chevy really did a big thing on the turbos a long time before everyone else was doing them. In American cars. I know you JDM guys had it, but okay. But here's what I wanted. Focus. There we go. Come on. So, I didn't even notice the camouflage on this, but this is the 07 Shelby GT 500. Very similar to a lot of the ones they did. Also very similar to a green light coloring, decoration, deco, whatever you want to livery. But as you can see when I move it into the light, we got camouflage. Very subtle. Didn't see it till I took it out. So I just saw the black Shelby. But we got... That's nice detail on that thing. Only wish it had headlights on it. Very nice. Very nice. Again... Cyclone, Shelby, the 2021 Volkswagen Valentine's Day car. Put that to my son. And then this one, that's the reason why most people are going to buy this 9-pack. Again, for those of you who don't know, in 9-packs, anything inside here, unless someone swapped it in the store, is exclusive. You will only find it in 9-packs. I haven't been paying that much attention to 9-packs, but Hot Wheels used to put cars in here that were exclusive. So in these packs, you'd only find them in multi-pack cars. Then they started doing rims only. So if you want, certain rims will only show up in 9-packs. So if you're a collector of variations, take a peek at 9-packs, because you may have this car in red, but they may have switched the rims. I don't know. I'm not saying they did, but definitely keep an eye out for those cars. But again, the top right corners should be, well, they are, when they leave the factory, exclusives, which means you will only find it in here. We all know this is going to be on a card. These will all either late 2020s or early 2021s. These are all coming out. But again, check your variations on the rims. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the rest of the videos, hit that notification button. Peace.